Apparently, iOS 15 is going to bring changes to notifications in iOS. You're using iOS, right, Mo?
Yep.
What do you think about those notifications? Could they be improved, or are you happy with that?
I honestly I'm not bothered by it.
Okay. You're getting your notification. Well, here's the pitch, all right? Here's what they say. They're going to allow for different notification settings depending on circumstance, depending on activity. Now, the ones that are listed here are working, driving, sleeping. However, there's believed to be a number of custom categories, which would have presets for the way a person, and configurable, but presets for the way a person would expect to get notified given those various circumstances. So you can imagine, for example, if you're driving, you may want, I don't know, maybe a text message is useless to get pinged on, but a call is useful, so that one comes through. Maybe if you're at work, it's only notifications from certain individuals that are going to break through.
Mm-hmm. Maybe you don't want those social media notifications.
Maybe social media notifications turn off at work. And then obviously in the evening or during sleep, you might want to have everything silenced unless it's an emergency, like the thing where you have do not disturb, and then it takes 2 phone calls to bust through and send the notification or have the phone ring. Mm-hmm. So they're working on ways to, I suppose, be a little bit more dynamic, where the circumstance can adjust the notification setting.
Now, is this like something you would have to set in your phone? Like, I work from 9 to 5, so these are the hours where I want it to go in this mode.
Sure.
Or will it, like, when I get to work, it knows that this is my work location, it automatically switches into that?
Sure.
Fun stuff.
Up to you. I mean, I don't know how much data they have on you. Remember, it's Apple, so they're protecting your privacy at all times. They don't know where you are. No. That's only you know that. Mm-hmm. Tim doesn't know any of that. Don't you dare accuse him of knowing where you go to work. I presume it's going to be mostly manual, but I mean, the car, for example, it can use other means to figure out that you're in the car. That's for one. Mm-hmm. The rate of movement. Mm-hmm. Like, you're just not walking that fast.
Yeah.
So he's in the car. Okay, let's trigger that. But I don't know. I think about notifications a lot because notifications have become a really key way in which you interact with your device. Like, you spend a lot of time managing notifications, and you want the computer to do more of it for you, because you're constant. For me, I know a lot of people like this, just revert to just going do not disturb, period, because it's overwhelming. And I know there are methods, there are ways, but it's daunting, and so you just turn on the do not disturb. So it would be nice to see one of these platforms figure out a way algorithmically. I'm not sure. I mean, Gmail tries to do it with emails, right? YouTube does it with uploads even when you're subscribed. They don't send you every notifier by default. Right, yeah. By default, they try to figure out, okay, what's a reasonable amount? How is this person responding? I mean, if your phone realizes you don't open any notifications, maybe send fewer. Mm-hmm. I don't know, but it's hard to know because it's also a bit terrifying to know that your phone is deciding when and how to do that. And are you going to catch a brief after it's all said and done? Mm-hmm. But it's just a curious... you do have to have some manual control over it, I think, so that you know what didn't come through and what did and why. Mm-hmm. But I like the idea of finding more sophisticated ways to interact with these and letting the device do more of the work so we don't have to look at everything.
Mm-hmm. Right. Every time you turn on your phone, that's the first thing you see. You want it to be a good experience.
Yeah, just prioritization. Mm-hmm. Just we're all bombarded. Just prioritization. Mm-hmm. I mean, like I said, to get stuff done, I'm just turning off notifications completely just so I can focus. Got a lot going on.
Yeah.
You know?
You have a busy life.
Got to do this show right here.
Yeah.